And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you how we can create a random full number. So we get back to our last tutorial where we use math.random, and then I just refresh the browser to print it out. It's always a number between 0 and 1. If we add times 10, not minus, we always have a number between 0 and 10. But how can we get rid of all of the digits behind the comma? Well, we can simply combine math.random with math.round. So that's another method I've shown you in an earlier tutorial. To use it, we'll add math.round. Don't forget the regular brackets. And then we can put our number inside of there. Or we put simply our code right here, math.random times 10 inside of the brackets. And if we refresh now, we always get a number between 0 and 10. Keep in mind this is actually 0 to 10 and not 1 to 10, because sometimes math.random generates a 0.04 or lower. And if this is times 10, we have 0.4, and is obviously then rounded down to 0. So sometimes you get a 0, and therefore the limits here are 0 to 10. The upper limit is defined by the number that you use for multiplication. So if we use that, for example, with 8 times 5, we always get 0 to 5. On this I can generate a random full number in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.